my vlog. This is Bandongzki. So for today's vlog, we are going to unbox my new headphones. Ayan guys, may bago po tayong headphone from JBL. So binili ko to kahapon as a gift for myself. And ayan, kasi I am going to Cambodia this coming December 25. So, kailangan natin na to for traveling. Yan. Para hindi tayo ma-bored siguro. Kasi I will be going to travel 27 hours bound to Siem Reap, Cambodia. So, maybe kailangan natin talaga to para, yun na, para hindi ma-bored. So, ayan, i-unbox po natin. Ayan. Yung model po ng headset is wireless MS 7718. So, ayan, let's start, guys. Ayan. So, ito po siya. So, ayan. Medyo fun po. Balik tatlong kulay na lang po kasi sa mall naka-sale siya. So 100,000 keep po yung price niya. Yan po, 100,000 keep. Ewan po, yan. Pero natawaran po natin ng 80,000 keep. Alam mo naman, nakakuan tayo, nakamura ulit. So, ayan po siya. Ayan. Chicks. Okay, try po natin. So, ito yung Bluetooth po siya. Bluetooth. So, high performance wireless headphones with built-in mic. Model MS. So, power supply switch. So, meron naman. And the number of data jack, increase the volume down, timeout. So ito, specs niya, in English type, open air, dynamic, driver unit is 40 mm diameter, dome type, power, handling capacity is 50 MW, impedance is 32 ohms at 1 kHz. Sensitivity 108 dB per MW. Hindi ko alam, di ako masyado sa mga abbreviation eh. Frequency response is 1222 000 Hz. Tapos yung cord niya is 1.2 meter with stereo mini plug. Ayan. And mass approximate 125 grams without cord. Supplied accessories, earpads is 2. So, ayan guys. Warning! Adjust headphone sound to the proper volume. Ayan. So, iti-test na po natin. So, medyo maganda din naman. Gusto ko ito kulay kasi yung phone ko is black and white. And the other one Vivo is black and white also. Ay, hindi pala. So, ayan guys. Try po natin. I-on natin. Ayan. Try po natin. Bluetooth device is ready to pair. So, connect po natin sa Bluetooth. Ayan. MS. Ayan siya. Oops. Yun, MS. Connected na siya. So, it's successful na daw. So, try po natin. Actually, nanonood din ako ng vlog ko. So, my new vlog is the Nachos Overload Travel Laos Race Grill Capital Residence. So, ito yung bagong uploaded na video ko. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, just watch, like, and subscribe na din, guys. Thank you in advance. So, yan, guys. Okay na. So, pwede natin i-adjust yung volume through this one. May volume po. Plus and minus. Then, dito po is na meron din siyang for call. Tuwan ko yun. Hindi ko alam kung maririnig. Yan, sa sobrang lakas medyo tama-tama lang pag gusto mong actually pag may napagalitan ka ni Nana or someone na pinapagalitan ka at ayaw mo marinig yung boses, lagay mo lang to and para kahit dada, ayan, hindi mo naririnig. So, ayan guys, this is JBL ano to? JBL Wireless MS 771A. So, ewan ko, sa Philippines meron pa din to. Pero naka-sale kasi dito medyo mura. Kaya siguro bibili pa ako for pag-uwi ko. Maybe may pagbibigyan tayo, maybe sa mga pamangkin or ayan, pwede siya ma-fold. Ayan. So, pwede nang ilagay sa bag. And very neat lang siya. Guys. Ganda. Happy ako. Happy naman. Worth it. Ayan, patay na. So, ayan, thank you to myself. So, ayan na. So, if you like this video guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And sana madami pa tayong ma-unbox na mga item. And malay mo, isa ka sa mga makaka-receive nun. Okay. See you to my next vlog. Bye-bye.